Good day, everyone. Today, we'll be talking about something very important. In fact, a particular vegetable that everybody eats, but actually a lot of people don't know that it has a whole lot of benefits and probably are not eating it the way they ought to. So today, we'll be talking about health benefits of water leaf. In fact, today we'll be talking about everything that has to do with water leaf. So I implore you to find something to sit and come along with us as we discuss everything about water leaf. This actually proved to be very, very informative. Now, let's get to it. Water leaf. Water leaf, that has its botanical name as Talinum triangulae, is an edible leafy vegetable. It is a native of tropical Africa, but has also spread to other parts of the world like Mexico, Caribbean, Central America, and South America. It has many traditional uses. The leaves, the stems, and the roots of water leaf are all extremely useful. The leaf and the stems are used as food, while its roots is used for medicinal purposes. Water leaf is a perennial vegetable. It is cultivated mainly as a leafy vegetable in the tropics. It is also known by many names, several names, like Bure in Nigeria, Ghanaian kutu, pot herb, fame flower, sweetheart, Florida spinach, and lots more. Despite its many names, it remains a crunchy, tangy, and extremely nutritious vegetable. There are several nutritional properties of water leaf. Water leaf is a good source of potassium, vitamins, crude protein, calcium, magnesium, alpha tocopherol and beta tocopherol, total lipids, essential amino acids, and so on. It is also rich in minerals such as ascorbic acid, which helps to prevent scurvy, and lots more like that. It's also rich in vitamins. Water leaf is a good source of vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A. Water leaf also contains folate, which is important for various bodily functions, including cell division, and it's also rich in indigestible fiber, which aids digestion. This plant is used as a natural pigment for food colorants. Now, let's talk about the nutritional value of water leaf. Per 100 gram of water leaf, the number of nutrients basically contained in 100 gram of water leaf is about, okay, let's take it one after the other. Water is about 82 gram. Water is the main thing that water leaf actually contains. So we have about 82 gram of water. We have energy, we have protein, we have fat, carbohydrates, crude fiber, calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, and all the vitamins we mentioned earlier, vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, and all that. Now, water leaf has two major purposes, which are the culinary purpose and the medicinal purpose. For culinary purpose, water leaf is highly nutritious. It is so refreshing and tasty, and people use it in several cuisines. People prepare it in several ways. It is used to prepare different and assorted dishes all over the world, depending on the parts of the world or the way they eat it. It ranges from the recipes you can use water leaf ranges from country to country and different styles too. In Nigeria here, we have it in different soups. We use it in different ways because Nigeria is very rich in different tribes. So some use it as edikaikong, like the Calabas, and the Igbos will use it as ofengbolodi. Yoruba will use it as buri oloboro, eforiro, and all that. Water leaf can also be eaten with different types of accompaniments like yam, plantain, potato, porridge, rice, and so on. You can also pair water leaf or water leaf soup with another vegetable. Yes, sometimes they use water leaf with ugu and all that. So, but in any way you use water leaf, in any way you prepare your water leaf dish, the most important thing is to always remember never to overcook the vegetable, so that there will not be any significant loss of vitamins or mineral content in the water leaf. Overcooking actually destroys most of all the soluble oxalates in the vegetable. So taking it in raw state as smoothies or juices is also good. But you should note that water leaf should not be eaten raw, or the smoothie or the juices taken too much. It should not be in large quantities, because research has found out that it contains soluble oxalates, which may induce kidney stones if taken too much. Note, that is if consumed too much in raw state. But when it's cooked, the oxalates are actually reduced to about 50%, and the nitrates and the nitrites all reduced to negligible levels. So, this is probably why some researchers actually concluded that water leaf should not be included into infant meals because of anti-nutrients in it. The medicinal purposes of water leaf is what we are going to discuss now. After the phytochemical analysis of water leaf by lots of researchers, in order to ascertain all the medicinal properties that are in water leaf, it was actually found out that water leaf is an excellent source of tannins, alkaloids, saponins, flavonoids, terpenes, and phlobotannin. Even phenols are included, which actually suggests that its potential medicinal, it has a high potential and medicinal dietary benefits. The research actually shows that the leaf contains a very reasonable proportion of bioactive compounds that are essential for preventing and treating various ailments. Therefore, water leaf has chemopreventive activities against against different types of cancers, like the colon cancer, the breast cancer, due to the squalene content and all that. Water leaf also can serve as a way to prevent or to check obesity or to reduce weight loss because of its high fiber content. Also, it has the potential to regulate cardiovascular diseases. Its leaves are also used to treat several diseases, including measles. Also, the leaf and the root extracts are used to treat asthma, fresh cuts, scabies, anemia, IBP, and lots more. Now, is it not so glaring that water leaf is indeed one of the numerous sources of nature? Now, like I promised, wasn't that very interesting and informative? Well, we were unable to finish this in this particular video, but in our subsequent videos, we'll be able to tell you more about health benefits of water leaf and how to use water leaf for different ailments, different sicknesses, and different diseases. Do join us then. Remember to stay tuned to this channel so that you'll be able to learn more about vegetable and how to live a healthy and perfect life. Till our next video, we say be healthy, stay healthy. See you in our next video.